The Suzuki Hayabusa GSX-R 1300 is a name that has become synonymous with speed and power. Let's take a brief journey through its 3 generations. The original Hayabusa was an instant legend. With its 175 horsepower engine and a top speed nearing 190 miles per hour, it became the fastest production motorcycle of its time. It redefined what a hyperbike could be, offering an unmatched combination of power, stability, and aerodynamic efficiency. The second generation built on this legacy, with refinements that included increased displacement to 1340cc, improved aerodynamics, and a host of electronic aids. The bike continued to push boundaries, though speed was capped due to a gentleman's agreement among manufacturers, limiting it to 186 miles per hour. The latest iteration of the Hayabusa brought advanced electronics and improved handling, but it fell short in one crucial aspect: raw power. Despite being equipped with the most sophisticated tech to date, the third-gen Hayabusa's power output saw a decline to around 187 horsepower. This was a letdown for many loyal fans who had hoped the new model would build on the ferocious performance of its predecessors. While the third-gen Hayabusa is an impressive machine in many respects, its lower power figures have left enthusiasts wanting more. The motorcycle community expected Suzuki to push the envelope further, especially as competitors like Kawasaki, Ducati, and BMW have disregarded the gentleman's agreement on speed limits, offering bikes with over 200 horsepower. The Hayabusa, once the king of speed, now lags behind in the hyperbike segment, which has disappointed a loyal customer base that was eager for the next leap forward in performance. Despite the factory limitations, the aftermarket industry has shown what the Hayabusa is truly capable of. With modifications like turbos, nitrous kits, and superchargers, enthusiasts have transformed their Hayabusas into absolute monsters on the road and track. These enhancements demonstrate that the Hayabusa platform is still one of the most potent in the world, just waiting to be unleashed. The time has come for Suzuki to reclaim the throne. The Hayabusa name deserves to be associated with unmatched power and speed once again. It's clear that the market is ready for a new generation of Hayabusa that doesn't just compete, but dominates. To keep the spirit of the Hayabusa alive, Suzuki must address the desires of its loyal customers who crave a hyperbike that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Addressing these concerns, I am proposing a revolutionary new model for the Hayabusa, a machine that will once again redefine what it means to be a hyperbike. This new model will be equipped with twin superchargers, ensuring that it will have the power to blow away the competition. By incorporating cutting-edge engineering and the latest enforced induction technology, this Hayabusa will be capable of delivering jaw-dropping performance with power figures well over 300 horsepower. This new Hayabusa will not just be a bike, it will be a statement that Suzuki is committed to its legacy, to its fans, and to the future of motorcycling. The Hayabusa has always been a symbol of ultimate speed, and with this new model, it will secure its place as the undisputed leader in the hyperbike segment. Let the sketching commence.
Why would someone else do what you do right now?
let's talk about the design. The Predator takes flight. The Suzuki Hayabusa, named after a bird of prey, has always been a symbol of speed and power. However, previous designs have often drawn comparisons to the beluga whale due to their smooth, rounded shapes. This new model is set to change all that by fully embracing the fierce, predatory spirit of the Hayabusa, both in name and in design. In this new iteration, the design will embody the essence of a bird of prey in full attack mode. The front of the bike will be dominated by a headlight that mimics the sharp, focused beak of a raptor, ready to strike. This will not only give the Hayabusa a more aggressive appearance, but will also enhance its aerodynamic profile, cutting through the air with the precision of a hunting falcon. The air intakes will be reimagined with a more menacing design, resembling the talons of a bird of prey, ready to grasp its target. These intakes will be complemented by daytime running LEDs, which will create a striking visual effect, an unmistakable signature that announces the presence of a true predator on the road. The entire front of the bike will exude a sense of speed and power, even when stationary, capturing the raw energy and agility of a bird of prey. This new design approach will not only make the Hayabusa visually distinct, but will also connect its appearance more closely to its namesake, the fastest bird in the world. One of the most groundbreaking features of the new Hayabusa will be its carbon fiber frame. This is a significant leap forward in motorcycle engineering, drawing inspiration from the world of supercars, where carbon fiber chassis are the norm. While the automotive industry has embraced this lightweight yet incredibly strong material, the motorcycle industry has largely fallen short of this technological advancement, until now. The new Hayabusa's carbon fiber frame will be designed in a traditional twin-spar setup, echoing the simple yet effective geometric designs of superbikes from the 90s. This approach not only ensures optimal strength and rigidity, but also helps keep production costs down, making this revolutionary bike more accessible to a broader audience. With the carbon fiber frame, the aim is to keep the curb weight of the new Hayabusa between 200 to 230 kilograms. This significant reduction in weight, combined with the 300-plus horsepower produced by the twin superchargers, will create a machine that is not just fast, but menacingly powerful. This combination will redefine what it means to ride a hyperbike, offering an unprecedented power-to-weight ratio that will dominate both the road and the track. The design of the frame isn't just about weight reduction, it's also about enhancing performance. The frame will feature integrated air intake channels, directly feeding the twin superchargers. This innovative design ensures that the engine receives an ample supply of cool, pressurized air, maximizing the power output and efficiency of the superchargers. Why twin superchargers? Because the Hayabusa deserves nothing less. While Kawasaki's H2 has made a name for itself with its unique supercharger whine, the twin supercharger setup in the new Hayabusa will create a sound like no other. A high-pitched, spine-tingling symphony that will make the hair on the back of your neck stand up. The auditory experience alone will be worth the ride, but combined with the raw power under the seat, this bike will be a true force of nature. The exhaust system of the new Hayabusa is as innovative as the rest of the bike. It features twin pipes that house the catalytic converters, designed for easy removal via a simple latching mechanism. This allows riders to quickly swap out the stock exhaust for a more aggressive setup without the need for complex modifications. Suzuki takes it a step further by providing a set of free-flow pipes right out of the box, specifically for track use, with a knowing wink from the company. This approach reduces the burden on consumers to seek aftermarket solutions, ensuring that every rider has access to performance-enhancing exhaust options directly from the manufacturer. To further streamline the performance experience, the new Hayabusa will come equipped with an array of maps for different riding styles, eliminating the need for aftermarket flashing. Riders can easily switch between modes, tailoring the bike's performance to their exact needs, whether it's for a relaxed cruise or an all-out track day. For those moments when maximum performance is required, the exhaust system features valves that can open all 4 channels on each side when the most aggressive map is selected. This not only boosts power output, but also unleashes a roar that matches the ferocity of the bike's design and capabilities.